Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera pro mode works on the Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. So to open this mode, click on the modes, just right here, and then go for the manual mode. There we are, and first of all, as you can see, we can start from this side, from the left side, where we can find focus. So we can adjust focus manually by using this slider. That's the focus range, or automatic by tapping right here. Next we can find the shutter speed. Here we can find ISO level. There we got the exposure compensation, and as you can see, that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually by using these sliders. And the next option is the white balance. When you go for the upper bar, we can also find shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds, the HDR, and we can change camera aspect ratio. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.